Hello dear engineers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we have a topic regarding tie beam layout, that how to read tie beam drawing on site. And last previous lectures we discussed about the footing and also the boundary wall, the columns. So here we have the tie beam, that how to read the tie beam drawing. First of all, we have three types of tie beam here in our drawings. One is TB1, TB2 and TB3. Three types of tie beam here we have for this villa, G+1 villa. We have some notes here which I discussed in last lecture. Notes you must be study before applying the drawing on site. So here we have bearing capacity of soil 1.5 kg per centimeter square. Foundation design for G+1. Yes, we know that excavation minimum 1.2 meter, yani 120 centimeter from road level, from gate level to road to gate level. So this level, how you will find, how you will shift your benchmark to your site. This topic I discussed in my previous lectures, step-by-step villa and construction in UAE, and there I discussed that how you can find a different levels for a different structure, like for tie beam, from column, everything I discuss in this videos. So you can visit to the step-by-step villa construction in UAE. And all works under the ground level should be painted to coated hard bitumen. Hard bitumen you will apply for the substructure, and your footings, your tie beams, your neck columns, you will coat it 2 times by bitumen. It should be mentioned in the specification of your project that which brand you will use. Use solid blocks under outside of your of the tie beam. Outside mean that from your this is your tie beams. So outside this wall, yani out of your plot, out of your tie beam, this outer tie beams you will use solid blocks under the tie beam. First you will make your block masonry. After that you will put the tie beam. Steel high tensile strength is 4600 kg per centimeter square. All load column by ton, you will take by ton. Center of the column, center of the footing with coaxial, other mention in the drawing. It's mean that what is the center of your footing, column, everything should be correctly. Subgrade of footing must be well compacted. Footing subgrade, yani before the applying your footing, you should be compact your subgrade by using compactor. First of all you will give water, after that you will compact this area. So first of all we have scheduled for tie beam type, yani TB1, TB2, TB3. This is tie beam 1, 2, 3. Section we have 20 by 60, yani 20 centimeter spread, and height or depth is 60. So the same section you will apply, yani all tie beam section is same. Only the difference between the bottom and top reinforcement. So bottom reinforcement 16 mm. Our dia of main bar is 16 mm. 6 pieces you will put there, and top reinforcement 16 mm. and 4 number of bars, and extra bar you will put 16 mm also 2 pieces. And stirrup for this 8 mm stirrups at the rate of 7 pieces per meter. Per meter के अंदर 1 मीटर के अंदर आपने 7 pieces डालना है. After that how you will find the spacing for this stirrup. So 1 meter have 100 centimeter, you divided by 7, so it will give you the spacing for your stirrup, that it will come 20 centimeter or 15 centimeter. TB2 same section. After that 16 mm 5 pieces. Like that you will read about this beam. After that we have level, the most important point, that which beam have which level we will apply for this. So first of all, this is have the tie beam at the rate of plus 0.65. Yani you have two tie beams here. One is TB1, one is TB2. One is down, one is up. So this level, how you will find this level? First of all, you will shift your benchmark. I discussed in the previous videos. So once you shift your benchmark by using your level machine, then you will determine this two level for these two tie beams. After that you will construct these two tie beams, one is up, one is down. Here we have one tie beam, but its level is in minus, so it's mean this tie beam is down from the actual level, yani 0 level. It is coming 0.45 level, and you will go down 45 centimeter from your 0 level. Okay, here same, you will determine the level for the tie beams. After that this is also the level, it's 0.8, yani it's up from the 0 level, it's down, yani same this tie beam you will give different levels for this. So this is the drawings regarding the tie beam, and next video we will be talk about the staircase footing, that how you will read about and how you will apply the foundation for the staircase. So this is the video regarding the tie beam, that how you will read the drawing for the tie beam layout. So thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel for more latest updates.